Hey everyone, here it comes. The thunder's getting louder, the lightning's getting more intense. About to cop another rainstorm, you little beauty. Couldn't ask for more this time of year. It's hopefully I catch some lightning for you. It's almost like the wave that came in yesterday. Close enough, I tell you what. And hang on, I'll see if I can get you a better angle. Look at that, it's beautiful. Poetry in motion. About to cop it all over again. There you go, look at that. Unbelievable. That's incredible. Obviously headed straight for us, and the flowers are out ready to get some more rain. Hopefully get some more. Hopefully we can get some thunder happening. Whoa, there we go. I hope that got in film. I really do, because that was beautiful. Almost on cue. The thunder from down under. I know, terrible joke. But look at that. These are one of the many reasons why I love nature so much. It's really coming in fast. That is magnificent. I was almost going to film it in slow-mo, but this pretty much is approaching in slow-mo, so yeah, you get the message. Oh my god, this is incredible. I'll be here until it rains. Look at that wave that's coming behind it. So much rain. We're going to get pelted on. Oh, magnificent. Absolutely fantastic. Nothing like electrical storm. I hope you're okay with this angle. The other side of the house you won't be able to see anything, so here it comes rolling in. Ah, what a beautiful sight. Truly beautiful. Oh, it's almost over the top of us. It's almost over the top of us. Truly unbelievable. My God. Now it is over the top of us, as you can tell by the lightning and the louder thunder. Unbelievable. Wow. That is incredible. Truly amazing. Really is. Oh, just beautiful. Whoa, there we go. I really hope that was in picture. That's truly incredible. Can you believe it? Wow. Amazing. Yeah, the birds are freaking out now. They want to be nowhere near it. Poor things, they're flying away. It's too much for them. Yep, whoa, here comes the rain now. And the storm is right over the top of us. The storm is right over the top of us. Wow. That was a sky splitter. Unfortunately, I'll have to go in soon because here comes the rain. Oh, that thunder's so amazing. Loving it. Yep, here it comes. Wow. Just beautiful. Yep. Get ready, garden. You're about to get another drink. A very, very big drink. Thanks for watching, everyone. Whoa, yep, here comes the rain. I don't trust this thing with a waterproofing case, unfortunately. But yeah, you get the idea. Here she comes. Well, there you go. That was a good strike of lightning. There you go. Okay, cool. Absolutely awesome. Okay, everybody, I'm unfortunately running out of film space. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Take care, everyone. Be safe. Be safe.